Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and to this video we're going to talk about how to restore deleted TikTok video. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, and as a first step, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom, then tap on three line at the top right, choose settings and privacy, scroll down, and from content you can see this option here, activity center. Tap on it and choose recently deleted. Good. Here you can see all the video and photo you deleted. Choose the video you want to restore it, and just know that you can recover the video only if it hasn't been deleted for more than 30 days. If more than 30 days have passed since it was deleted, the video cannot be recovered. Well, to recover the video, tap on Restore and confirm that. And if we go back to the profile, as you can see here, the video is recovered. Thanks for watching. See ya.